Hey everyone, my name is Claire and my colleague Emma, and this is the speech impairment model that we deployed. So let me show you the files. So here, the files here, the requirements dot text, and the Gradio, and the Gradio is used for the user interface, and the NumPy will be used to support the numerical operations, and the Librosa will be used for loading and processing the audio signals, like feature extraction, and the Torch it is the PyTorch library useful for handling the tensors and model interface. And we talked about the Gradio thing. It is to create the web interface. Then the another file-based model, we changed the logistic regression model to PKL format for deployment on the huge face. Then we load the converted model using the job lib. Then here is our code. Let me invite my colleague Emma.
So hello everyone, we'll be sharing next one. We imported these various libraries. We had Gradio, Torch, Librosa, and NumPy. So the Gradio was for the interface, the web interface that you saw previously. The Torch was for the deep learning models, and Librosa was for the audio clips. Then NumPy was for the numerical data. So joblib was to aid the NumPy Torch libraries. So that's why we are loading the data that's a NumPy. For example, our base model was converted to a .pkl file. So it could not be loaded directly without using job library. Then we had to extract out features from each waveform. The sample rate was 16 kilohertz, and male frequency septual coefficients. We had the Librosa feature extracted out, and these were 13 MFCs. And then we had to transpose each time step in a row. Then we also had to define the decode prediction. So in the decode prediction, we had to get the maximum argument and a dim of -1, then squeeze the CPU of the NumPy. So we also had to split the vocabulary into this. So the first index is 0, the word is hello. Then the index 1, the word is world. So this is to aid the part of the predicated text so that we can predict the text on a given point. So then here we're supposed to return the predicted text. So we also defined the audio clip. So we defined the function for audio. So there was a waveform. Sample rate was this 16 kilohertz still. So we loaded it in the Librosa, then extracted features out of the waveform so that we can get features that can be understood. So we imported tensor using tensor to touch the tensor features. Then we unsqueeze 0 at a number of 0. So this was to add the batch dimension. So with touch number grad, so you could now predict the model using the input tensor. Then you also had to convert the model to text. So the predicted model was coded using the decode prediction function, which is up here. So after that, we returned the predicted text. So we also had to define the radio interface. So the demo was to define the radio interface. So we had to predict inputs. So we had the audio sources. So we have a microphone, and then you're going to upload voices to the microphone, and then the type is going to be a file path. So for the mod we developed, we have an interface, and in that interface, you're going to have a microphone so that you can submit audio clips to the microphone, so that when that audio clip is sent to the microphone, it's able to predict text and convert that text to predicted, it's able to convert that audio to a predicted text. So we also had to provide a provision for the predicted text, which is going to be our output. So we have our outputs. So here are text box. So we labeled it a predicted text level. So the title of our model is a speech impairment model. So in the description, so you upload or recorded your files and the model will translate it into text. So this is a description in our model. So actually, this is the interface of the model we deployed on the Hugging Face website. So this is to help launch the model to the main function. So I'll be inviting my colleague to take us through the procedure of uploading audio clip to the application. So I think you can.
So this is our speech impairment model that we uploaded. And let me record speech impairment model that enables the speech impaired people to communicate. So in the predict text, you can see that it is being processed. That's all. It is processing. Thank you.